Do you find yourself stuck in the grind, working tirelessly to provide for your loved ones, but missing out on the very moments that make life worth living? Say goodbye to the guilt and hello to a lifestyle that allows you to be present for every milestone, every hug, every moment that matters. Many people feel they're doing the best for their family, working long hours, but aren't, because all their families want is for us to spend more time with them. I understand the struggle. I used to work long hours and travel extensively, missing out on important moments with my family. I felt like I was failing in my relationships with my wife and children. Do you feel that way too? I found a solution. Online businesses offer the freedom to spend invaluable time with your family while achieving financial security, enabling you to become the partner your spouse dreams of and the parent your children crave. If you want more information on this concept, click on the Learn More button somewhere in this video. This will take you to my website. Just share your name and email address and I'll send you free workshop videos immediately. The videos will show you proven methods with shortcuts and the fastest way to set yourself up with an online business that will serve you for the long term, so you can spend more time enjoying your family's favorite pastimes. I've been working alone at 5-star resorts around the world and watching people swimming, lazy next to the pool and just relaxing with their family, and I was thinking I was wasting my life. I should be one of those people. I thought now is the time for me to take control of my destiny. I regret I didn't take control of my life earlier. Picture this: the blissful embrace of laughter and joy, surrounded by the warm company of family and friends, while the sun-kissed waters of a luxurious resort beckon you to indulge in leisurely relaxation. It's a life we all yearn for, isn't it? In January 2024, there were 5.35 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months. And with the internet growing every year, opportunities abound. For example, more than 11,000 affiliate programs where you get paid for helping businesses market and sell their products online, either through your website or other e-commerce platforms like Amazon. You can build your online business at your own pace from home. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments. Just an internet-connected device. No bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your own terms, from anywhere in the world, with an uncapped income potential. To achieve this, all you need is a little guidance to turn this vision into reality. I have the guidance you need. Click the Learn More button somewhere around this video and register. Simply share your name and email and I'll show you how you can embark on the life-changing journey.